today I am playing with oopsie. Huh? See? Oops, I'm just fixing something. 81.
With
81 blocks. And first act is two.
huh?
Second act is the same. See, they're all the same. They all sneeze. Get back down there. Boom! The secret of this trick is you put in a number. The trick to making this trick is super easy.
The trick in making that trick. That's a lot of tricks.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this for hours.
Nakakatawa nung pauwi kami galing kila Manman. Hindi malungkot pero parang binibury yung lungkot doon sa banding namin. Tapos nung uwian na, niyakap ko na siya. Tapos tumutulo na yung luha ko papalabas.
Hey! What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. Tapos, ang kasama, dahil wala akong sasakyan, wala akong motor, ang kasama ko kay Baste.
And this,
Eh di,
hey,
napalungkot
I'm
na ako
talking.
papalabas. Oh, sorry.
Something. This
Malungkot na
is
ako
a
papalabas.
box.
Tapos, nahulog pa yung, kasi maliit yung daan doon, tapos yung,
Then,
tubig na yung nakatalo na
stop sneezing 81 because 81 is super duper tall and long.
Nahulog pa yung yung motor niya, nakakasawan sa likod. Hindi Baste. Buti na lang hanggang front wheel lang yung nahulog. Tapos nabawi, hindi kami nalaglag ng tuluyan doon sa may napilay, may nasira. Tapos,
Sorry about that.
tawa lang sila Jobson tsaka si Adam sa likod namin.
Boom!
Eh,
A big box is in the way. Another box. We have two boxes. And they could fit in 81 in each box.
malapit na
You
doon
know
sa
it.
atin.
Ha, ha, ha. Oh, stop! False alarm!
False alarm?
What's happening with that cake? What's happening with the curd? Oh, ha, ha. False alarm.
You wanna show the cakes in the video? They look really yummy.
There's a cake in a bake.
Pwede natin itong i-flip yung
Double tap! Buwa!
Ay, hindi pala to double tap. Ah, wala siyang change ng Ayan you show them the cake.
The cakes are ready to eat.
Ready to eat na. These are for sale.
And they're
Where?
gonna be for sale. In the upper room. Just kidding.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, upper room.
Just kidding, but
Sandalit now, please.
sandali now, please. You got it, mister.
Ha! Ha!
I think we're good with 5 minutes now.
Oh, zoom in.
Zoom in!
I'm super zoom in. Not yet. Do you want him to sneeze again? Do you want him to sneeze again? Box. And the box. And the boxy doxy dox.
Malambot.
Oh, no.
Pero marap na rin.
And a candy cane. I'm not gonna eat this, but I'm just gonna,
Play with it.
yeah. This is a candy cane. Ah! What are you doing?
Kung
Doing?
nakasandal, Nina.
Ha ha ha!
What are you doing?
Oopsies!
Are you dueling?
These are candy. Oopsies!
Malapit na
I'm gonna put them back in the plastic can.
Ako
Watch
San
this.
Fernando,
Come on.
sobrang sakit na ng likod ko dahil naka-hardtail na si Baste. Tapos yung CC bar niya, nagbabibrate, gumaganyan-ganyan sa likod ko. Sobrang sakit dito. Tapos pagkababa ko,
Bakit kuya ganun yung
magaganyan na.
kind ng motor niyo?
First time.
Culture.
Go! There you go!
Scrap.
Box.
Junk
Cut!
Oh, pero isipin mo, motor yung nagawa sa kamay lahat ng except for the engine. At saka yung ibang konting parts. Pero lahat yun, yung frame, yung gas tank, the handlebars, even yung hub ng gulong.
Ah, there's a just
Yun,
kidding.
dalawang kamay.
They're talking about motorcycles.
Choppers, baby.
1, 2, 3. Do you want to sneeze? Do you want to
Kaya
sneeze?
hindi magbago yung pagiging extrovert niya. Bigla yung
Ate Fans,
extrovert
do you
siya,
wanna
no?
sneeze?
Eh, pandemic baby siya eh. Takot na takot siya nun sa, sa mall, di ba?
Huh? Hey, stop talking, please.
Stop talking, please. Oy, nasa 5-minute mark na tayo. Lagpas na tayo 5 minutes.
Wait. Achoo.
Oh, you-
Achoo. Bye.
naman nakita.
Let's
Kita
end this the video now.